Hello, fourth grade. This week we're going to be focused on number lines. These number lines are going to have a starting number and an ending number, so it's not an open number line. It's actually a 2-point number line or a closed number line, however you want to reference it. What I like to do, and not just myself, I think Mrs. Carlton talks to you about this too, is finding your anchor, which is your middle value. It works out really well when you think about what's the difference. So we took the difference from, we have a dead of 8 or negative 8 to 6. We know the difference there, that's 14 units apart. So in other words, half of 14 is 7. So if I went 7 units from 6, I'd be at a dead of 1. Or if I went 7 units from negative 8, I'd be at a dead of 1. So then I know that's my middle number. Oh wow, I just found one of my numbers. Then if we said, okay, well let's go from there. If that's 7 units away, halfway of that would be 3.5. So we don't want to do halfway. But we do know we do a little more than that. That's going to be where our 3 goes. Then we can come back and say, okay, our 0 is going to fall about there. And our dead of 4, well, that's halfway between 0 and negative 8. So if you notice, I didn't go in the order based on how they were written. I went on kind of what made sense to me. The next one's a little unique. I have a dead of 3 going all the way to 6. So my anchor would be, well, wait a second. That's a total of 9. So my anchor is 4.5 units to go in the middle. I don't want to use a half because I'm working with integers. I'm working with positive and negative whole numbers. So how about if I thought about, well, 9, wait a second. Isn't 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9? Oh, it is. So what if I broke this up into thirds? So 3 away from negative 3 is 3. 3 away from that is 3. Oh, wait a second. I just found 2 of my numbers. Because then we can break this up into 1, 2. So that'd be a dead of 2. We can break this up into 4, 5. So we can find 5. And then we found all of our numbers. So again, thinking about the difference between your beginning number and your ending number in terms of your two stationary values, your starting number, your ending number. And then from there, breaking down to recognize where the other numbers would go. If you have any questions on this, please, 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 please ask Mrs. Carlton and or come ask me, or even better than that, talk to a friend and say, hey, out of curiosity, when you did your learning opportunity this week, how did you break down the number line? And they might even have another suggestion for you. So enjoy your opportunity, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.